welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about division of polynomial by monomial. The polynomial is the numerator and the monomial is our divisor, or the denominator is monomial. So the first thing we do is just to split or iwalayin natin yung bawat term. So we have 3y raised to third power, then divided by 3y, then plus 12y squared, then divided by 3y, then plus 21y divided by 3y. Then our next step is to divide na. So since pwede makancel natin itong 3 divided by 3 becomes 1 and 1. 12 divided by 3, 1, 4. Then 21 divided by 3, 7. Then ngayon ang natira ay y cube at saka y. Kailangan natin i-minus yung exponent kapag nagdi-divide. So 3 minus 1 silent. So matira sa y is y squared kasi minus natin yung y na isa. Dito naman we have 4 plus 4. Then ang y, mayroong dalawa, isa dito, 2 minus 1. So ang natira is y na lang. Then plus, yung natira dito ay 7. Then y minus y. So wala na siya, cancelled na to. So ito na yung pinaka-final answer natin. Y squared plus 4y plus 7. Okay, ito naman pangalawa. Okay, ganun din gagawin natin. I-split muna natin ang bawat term or hiwalayin muna natin. 28 a cubed divided by 2a, then minus 24 a squared divided by 2a, then plus 40a divided by 2a. Then pagkatapos natin pag-iwalayin yan, magdi-divide na tayo. 28 divided by 2 is 14. So yan na tayong 14. Tapos i-minus natin exponent 3 minus 1. Yung silent one yung wala. Understood? So a squared ang natira. Then 24 divided by 2. Negative sa negative dito. Then 24 divided by 2, the answer is 12. Then a squared minus 1, so a na lang ang natira. Then next is the last term, plus 40 divided by 2 is 20. Then a minus a cancelled na. So ito yung final answer natin. Okay, sunod ang pangatlo. Ganun din ang process. Iwalayin muna natin. I-split muna natin ang bawat term. Cube. Then 5b plus we have 30 b squared divided by 5b, then plus 15b divided by 5b. Okay? Gawin natin ngayon ay i-divide. Kapag hindi ma-divide ito, tulad nito 3 divided by 5, huwag na natin siyang decimal. Fraction pa rin 3 over 5. Then, b cubed minus b. So, extend lang natin itong konti. Tapos magiging b squared na dito. Okay? Then plus, ito madi-divide to 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Then b squared minus b equals b na lang siya. Then 15 divided divided by 5. Positive ito, kaya positive din. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. B minus B, so cancel na yan. So that's the final answer. Ito po yung final answer natin. Okay, I hope you understand. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.